Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Christian Ibram and my fellow partner is we are representatives of Sunnah New Technical School Robotics Club. Today in this video we are going to present to you a project that we made. That's a vacuum cleaner. It's used to suck dirt or clean rooms. And my fellow partner here is going to show you the things we used in making the vacuum cleaner.
My name is Mantelis Makasa, I said. Okay, on our vacuum cleaner, you can see down here we have two GN motors. And this is our power source, which brings power to the Arduino board to function. Okay, this is our Arduino and this is the motor shield right on top of it. And you can see here we have a powerful motor that sucks the dirt into the container. Okay, we are going to show you our code that we use to program our Arduino.
Okay, so this is the Arduino application we used in coding the vacuum cleaner, and these are the codes. This is the code for the servo, the DC motor, and also all of them, and how to turn it forward, how to make it go forward, backwards, turn left and turn right. Okay, so we are going to demonstrate how mini vacuum cleaner works. First of all, we are going to connect it to our device and switch the mini vacuum cleaner on. This is the name for our mini vacuum cleaner. It's blinking. It will be connected very soon. It's connected. And as you can see, we are using it to clean up this particles here, and it's cleaning. And when it's clean, it is poured into this container over here, so that when you are done, you can remove this container, empty it into the trash can, and replace it back, or clean the container. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video.